Hey there, amazing people. Big Bear here, and today we're diving deep into a topic that affects way too many of us, especially as we get a little wiser with age. Imagine this. You finally hit the hay, you're exhausted, and you fall asleep pretty quickly. But then bam, it's 2 or 3 a.m. and your eyes are wide open. You try everything, counting sheep, deep breaths, but sleep just won't come. And the next morning, you wake up feeling even more tired than when you went to bed. Sound familiar? You might think it's just age, or maybe all that stress from work or life getting to you. But what if I told you it's not just that? What if this frustrating cycle is actually your body's subtle SOS signal, a quiet warning that you're running low on 2 crucial minerals? These aren't just any minerals. They're the unsung heroes your body needs to properly shut down for the night and then magically repair itself while you sleep. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to pull back the curtain and reveal these 2 golden minerals. We'll explore why taking them right before bed is the absolute magic time for maximum effect. And critically, which specific types are truly effective and worth your hard-earned money. Trust me. After watching this, you'll finally understand why you've been battling restless nights for so long. Get ready to unlock the secret to waking up refreshed. Alright, let's talk about our first superstar mineral, which I like to call the brains off switch. Subtitle 1. Magnesium. The natural sedative mineral. Here's the painful truth. More than 60% of us older adults are seriously deficient in magnesium. Think about your daily routine, that morning coffee, the daily stresses of life, even that little sweet treat you had earlier. They all actively burning through your magnesium reserves every single day. We're constantly depleting this vital mineral without even realizing it. So, how does magnesium work its magic? Well, imagine your brain has these little sockets called GABA receptors. GABA is your brain's main calming neurotransmitter, the one that tells everything to just chill out. Magnesium acts like the perfect key that fits right into those GABA sockets. When it's plugged in, it sends a clear command. Brain, it's time to rest. Shut down those racing thoughts. Without enough magnesium, your brain simply can't turn off. It just keeps on thinking, endlessly processing, instead of drifting into a peaceful sleep. But it's not just about your brain. Magnesium is also the ultimate bodyguard for your cells. Here's why that's important. We have another mineral, calcium, which is essential, but it's also responsible for muscle contraction. Too much calcium flooding into your cells without proper regulation can cause problems. Magnesium steps in to prevent this overload. Without enough magnesium, calcium can flood in unchecked, leading to those annoying cramps in your legs in the middle of the night. That stiff neck and shoulders you wake up with. Magnesium ensures your muscles can relax deeply too. Now for the golden time. Why is taking magnesium in the evening so crucial? Think of it this way. By taking magnesium before bed, you're essentially providing your brain with the key it needs, precisely when it needs to lock the door to external stimuli and prepare for sleep. It's about timing this natural sedative effect for when your body most needs to wind down. And here's an expensive insight, so listen closely, please. For the love of deep sleep, do not just grab any magnesium off the shelf. Many cheap supplements are magnesium oxide, and let me tell you, it has less than a 5% absorption rate and mostly just causes, well, let's just say digestive distress. What you really want to look for is magnesium glycinate or magnesium threonate. Magnesium glycinate in particular is often hailed as the king of insomnia relief due to its excellent bioavailability and calming properties. It's a game changer. Moving on to our second incredible mineral, what I call the warrior repair mineral, essential for waking up truly restored. Subtitle 2, Zinc. The nighttime recovery mineral. Now, zinc is one of those minerals that often gets overlooked, right? Most people remember magnesium. They forget about zinc. Here's the crucial distinction. If magnesium is what helps you actually fall, asleep, then zinc is what determines whether you wake up feeling genuinely healthy, refreshed, and ready to tackle the day, or still feeling run down. It's all about the quality of your recovery. Let's break down zinc's powerful mechanisms. Think of zinc as the boss or the commander-in-chief of more than 300 enzymes in your body. At night, while you're sleeping, your immune system is working overtime, going around like a cleanup crew, diligently tackling inflammation and repairing damage. Without sufficient zinc, this critical nighttime cleanup operation is severely hampered. Your body is essentially smoldering with unaddressed inflammation all night long. And that's why you often wake up feeling stiff, sore, or just generally achy in the morning. Zinc empowers your immune system to do its job efficiently. Beyond immunity, zinc is also a main builder in your body. It's absolutely vital for repairing DNA and regenerating muscle tissue. Think about it. You move around all day, your muscles undergo micro tears. It's just part of life. Zinc is there to patch those up, to rebuild and restore while you're sleeping. Without enough zinc, your muscles will age faster, recovery slows down, and you just won't feel as resilient. It's like trying to build a house without enough good quality bricks. Eventually, things start to crumble. And here's another fascinating benefit. Zinc plays a key role in enhancing your REM sleep. Rapid eye movement sleep is that crucial phase where you dream. It's when your brain really cleans up all the mental clutter and processes memories. Zinc helps your brain convert an amino acid called tryptophan, which you find in foods like bananas, into melatonin, your body's natural sleep hormone. So zinc isn't just about physical repair. It's about optimizing your brain's deep cleaning and recovery cycles. When you're looking for zinc supplements, aim for zinc picolinate or zinc gluconate. These forms are highly absorbable. Simple dose of just 15 to 30 milligrams every night is usually all you need to start seeing a difference. Now, let us talk about a powerful combination and a mind-blowing bonus that will truly revolutionize your sleep and recovery. When you bring magnesium and zinc together, you get an incredible synergy. Magnesium helps you shut down your brain and relax your muscles for sleep, acting as the ultimate calming agent. Zinc then steps in to repair and rebuild your body at a cellular level, ensuring you wake up truly refreshed and restored. This dynamic duo is so effective together that it's actually sold as a popular supplement blend known as ZMA Zinc, Magnesium, and Vitamin B6, which further aids absorption. It's the perfect combination to help you sleep deeply and genuinely recover your physical strength. But here's the biggest secret. A peak bonus that links back to something we discussed in a previous video. If you're taking vitamin D3 like many of us are, but you're not also taking magnesium, then Big Bear needs to tell you something really important. You might actually be putting yourself in danger. Let me explain why. Vitamin D3 is fantastic. It significantly helps your intestines absorb calcium from your diet. That's great for bone health, right? But magnesium acts like the traffic police in your body. Its job is to direct all that absorbed calcium precisely where it needs to go, mainly into your bones and teeth, keeping them strong. Without enough magnesium, this calcium doesn't have a clear path. It can get lost, ending up depositing in places it shouldn't be, like your soft tissues, your blood vessels, and your joints. That's why many people who dutifully take D3 but neglect magnesium actually start experiencing stiff joints, increased aches, and more pain. The critical takeaway here is that vitamin D3 and magnesium are a team. They absolutely must go together to work safely and effectively. This is the kind of insight that's truly valuable and worth sharing. So, did you find this video satisfying? Did it shine a light on some of your nightly struggles? If it did, does your big bear deserve a little like for bringing you this information? I'm genuinely curious. Are you currently taking magnesium? And if so, what kind are you using? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one, and I'll do my best to respond to your questions. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell right now so you don't miss next week's video. We're going to dive into 3 foods that cause muscle loss after age 50, another crucial topic you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and here's to many nights of deep, restorative sleep.